Hey there, content creators and digital enthusiasts. Today we're diving into the world of Peasy AI, the revolutionary AI copywriting assistant that's here to simplify your content creation process. It has a funny name, but it does some serious business. Peasy AI is not just your average AI tool, it's your secret weapon in creating high-quality content. It's designed to please a diverse range of users from bloggers to HR professionals. Don't miss the chance to experience it for yourself with our exclusive free trial offer. Just click the link below and unlock the magic of Peasy AI today. This amazing platform has an impressive array of features. It simplifies complex content creation tasks like crafting blogs, generating product descriptions, and even transcribing audio. It's your go-to solution for various content needs. One standout feature of Peasy AI is its ability to generate engaging content for different purposes and tones. Whether you're writing a blog or detailing job listings, Peasy AI steps in to automate the process, delivering personalized content within minutes. But that's not all. Peasy AI can transcribe audio, saving you hours of manual work. And wait for it! Peasy AI also excels in image generation. You can effortlessly create captivating graphics and visuals to complement your written content. Plus, the platform supports HTTPS API and custom commands, allowing you to tailor it precisely to your unique content creation requirements. Now, let's take a closer look at the pros and cons of Peasy AI to give you a well-rounded perspective. Peasy AI's pricing is budget-friendly, making it accessible to a wide range of users. The platform offers a wide range of tools and features including templates, AI transcriptions, AI images, and so much more. Automated audio transcription is a major time saver and enhances accessibility. Peasy AI currently supports only English language, which may not be ideal for non-English speakers. While the AI image feature is handy, generated images may not always align with the desired professional aesthetic. Now let's dive into some frequently asked questions about Peasy AI. Peasy AI offers various pricing plans to suit different needs and budgets, including a free package with basic features. Peasy AI provides customer support via email and offers priority support to users on paid plans. This AI stands out with its user-friendly interface, content creation, and image generation capabilities, offering a comprehensive solution for creative tasks. Peasy AI is convenient and can benefit a wide range of businesses and individuals, including content creators, marketers, and large enterprises. Now I'll walk you through a quick step-by-step process on how to sign up and use this fantastic AI tool for your content creation needs. Let's dive right in. Step 1 is a breeze. Click the link below and you're on their website. On the Peasy AI homepage, look for the Sign Up or Get Started button. Give it a click to kickstart your journey. Fill out your registration details, provide your name, email address, and create a secure password. Choose your plan. Peasy AI typically offers different subscription plans, including free trials. Pick the one that suits your needs and budget. Finally, Peasy AI will send you a verification email. Open it and click the verification link inside to confirm your account. And there you have it, you're officially an Peasy AI user. Simply log in with your registered email and password and you're ready to unleash the power of AI for your content creation. Its user-friendly interface, various features, and affordability making it a go-to solution for bloggers, marketers, and anyone seeking to enhance their content game. It's easy as that. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and share it with your fellow content creators. Now, if you're eager to try out Peasy AI for yourself, simply click the link in the description below to get started. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye!